Hello and welcome to Regal Medical Group's Zumba Gold virtual event. I'm Betty and I will be your instructor, helping you lead a healthier and happier lifestyle. We're going to have so much fun staying healthy this year. Woo woo! I will introduce you to Zumba Gold dance routines such as Salsa, Bellydancing, Meringue, and Reggaeton. Ooh, ooh. I will walk you through lightweight training, also yoga and Tai Chi stretching. I have joined forces with Regal Medical Group and Lakeside Community Healthcare. They have access to the largest physician-led network of primary and specialty care providers across Southern California. Yeah, they provide free resources like Zumba Gold workout and other programs to support your health care needs. Everything is in the description box below. Regal Medical Group's Healthy Wave event page. So please go and click on that link and sign up for their email alerts, as well as their contact information. My information is below too, abetterbodybybetty@gmail.com. You're just a click away. Thank you so much for your support by subscribing to this channel. Make sure that you hit the little bell icon for instant notification of our new weekly videos. Let us know that you're enjoying these videos. You can have fun staying healthy in the comfort and safety of your own home. You can work out whenever it's convenient according to your schedule. You can dance in your living room and stay in shape whenever you want and how often you want. The great thing about this YouTube channel, you can rewind and you can do the routine as many times as you want. So now let's get started. Let's Zumba!